In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Slack. Dark mode is a great way to reduce eye strain, especially if you work in Slack for long periods of time or often use it at night. It makes the interface darker and softer on your eyes, while still keeping everything readable and easy to navigate. Let's walk through the steps together, and feel free to follow along in your own Slack workspace as you listen. First, open Slack on your computer. This can be either the desktop app or Slack in your web browser, because the steps are basically the same. Once Slack is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there, usually a small circle with your photo or initials. Click on that profile picture to open a menu. When that menu appears, you'll see several options related to your account and settings. From this list, click on the option labeled Preferences. This is where Slack keeps most of the customization options for your workspace experience, including how it looks, how notifications behave, and more. After you click Preferences, a new window or panel will open. On the left-hand side of this window, you'll see a sidebar with different categories. Look for the one called Appearance. Go ahead and click on Appearance. This section controls the overall look and feel of Slack, including themes, message display options, and of course, color mode. Inside the Appearance settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Color Mode. Here you'll see several options, such as light, dark, and sometimes system or sync with OS, depending on your version of Slack. To turn on dark mode immediately, select the option labeled Dark. As soon as you click it, Slack's interface will switch over to a darker color scheme. If you prefer Slack to automatically match your computer's theme, choose the option called System or Sync with OS instead. With that setting enabled, Slack will turn dark whenever your computer is in dark mode and switch back to light mode when your system does. This is a handy choice if you already use dark mode on your operating system and want everything to stay consistent. That's all you need to do to enable dark mode in Slack. With just a few clicks, you can make your workspace more comfortable, especially in low-light environments, and keep your focus on the conversations that matter.